Hello everyone, today we will teach you how to upgrade the old Porsche. This is its original center console. Firstly, remove this black decorative frame, then we unscrew the screws that secure the host and remove it. Then unplug all the plugs on the back of the host. Now start connecting the cables. This is the GPS antenna. This is the video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable, there are 2 of them. This is RCA cable. Let's first connect the CAN bus box to the power harness. Then connect the wires of the decoding box properly. Then connect the B+ wire of the decoding box to the yellow wire of the power harness. Then connect the ACC wire of the decoding box to the red wire of the power harness. Finally, connect the GND wire of the decoding box to the black wire of the power harness. Now connect the AUX in R and AUX in L of the decoding box to the RCA cables AUX-FR out and AUX-FR out by color. OK, then connect the CAN serial port on the power harness to the car radio. Then connect the power plug to the car radio. Now we will unplug the fiber optic cable of the original car power supply and insert it into the decoding box. Then connect the original car plug to the power plug of the car radio. Finally, connect the original car radio plug. OK, once everything is connected, install the new car radio. Now that the installation is complete, we need to set up CAN bus before using it for the first time, so that it can integrate some of the original car functions in the future. In addition, it has many rich features and supports FM/AM/RDS recording. Support DSP audio adjustment. Support online or offline maps. Supports Bluetooth music and Bluetooth phone. Support wireless CarPlay/Android Auto. Support original car steering wheel button control for Android screen sound, switching songs, etc. OK, this video ends here. Thank you for watching.